Lycanmotions, and I'm with GMAN here.
Yo yo.
We're going to do is an unboxing review this time of the Ferrari 5-pack. People used to see this 5-pack, but when it first came out today, it just dropped up the stores. We realised the set is really cool. We've got 5 Ferraris here. Some you've seen on videos, but you know, this is like a redux. We're thinking about doing an unboxed review for 5-pack because unboxed releases are easy, and it gives us a good set of videos. But also now it's time for us to unbox the set of vehicles. So we've got there, and here we have it. Here's the back of the packaging. That's the jolly at the back.
More beautiful.
Yeah, they are. And now it's time to unbox and release it. Where did I get this from? Yeah. I need to not swear because I might get, community guideline strike for swearing. Bad language. And look at this. Oh wait, hang on. Come on. No. Go out.
Too hot to handle.
Ooh, that was a pain. That was a troublesome one. Now it's time to bring out the first of the 5-pack vehicles, which you'll see now. They're out the case. Whoa. They are brilliant vehicles. There they are.
Competizione.
There are like 2 competitions there. There's also 2 more mod Ferraris and also a 5-pack single.
Yes,
and I'm going to show you the first of the 5 cars. Here we go. And the first one at the top is the Ferrari Competizione, the 365 GTB 4C, which is a GTB 4 Competizione. Remember, we did an unboxed release with the yellow one. It's just a fantastic looking vehicle. Gotta love the race car appearance. Second one is
Stradale.
The Ferrari F40 Stradale, but Ferraris like Stradale sometimes some of them could also have details in areas like above or below, but this time the F40 Stradale, just like that blue one, it is that way, but we don't care about that now. It's a great looking Hot Wheels car. It's a fantastic vehicle. And remember, we had one on the Auto Show 5-pack.
Yeah, it was a bit. Yeah, this one is a bit too. I think that was a bit different. This is really, really unique. More old school, like.
Yes, more like a
real deal.
Dark crimson red. Yeah. Oh boy, it just looks so good. Even on camera. God, this looks amazing. We definitely need a turntable. And next one is the Ferrari Dino. Now this is this is probably the first of the Dinos at the moment. We've seen the Dinos from what case was it? The 2020, the J case, I think, isn't it? The HOJ case. Right. From the J case. And now this one is from a 5-pack at the moment, but the J case will be coming in. Also, there will be the J case variant will be unboxed and released. Named after Enzo Ferrari's tragically dead son. It looks just incredible. Yeah, all chromed up and also absolutely fantastic. The next one. And there's also another one. The next one is also another one of the Ferraris that is yet to be unboxed and released. But this one has black wheels. Yeah. And this one is a darker red than the one with the black wheels, and it's perfect. Yeah, it is perfect. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
And this is what I'm saying is the Ferrari 12 cylindry. This is a 12 cylinder version of the Roma, and now here it is. It's incredible. Look at that vehicle. Just amazing. As you guys remember, the 12 cylindry there's also a 12 variant of the 12 cylindry, which been recently came out, was recently dropped. That one has chrome wheels. This one has black wheels. Just by the way, It's more like a saturated red. You've probably seen it on a bloopers video. And now, finally, one of our absolute faves.
She's gorgeous.
Is a red Ferrari F40. And why do we like this Ferrari F40? Is because the older F40 was remembered in, I think, a long time ago when we once got it. The Ferrari F40, which is the GT Competizione, was come out in 3 different models. There's also the 4th one, which was just a black super treasure, which
That's right.
which was found, but later customized.
Yep.
But there is,
Astonishing.
it was an astonishing vehicle. Also, we found a black one with an error.
Yes, we did.
One of the indicators was missing.
Oh yeah.
That one's going to go for a lot. But these Ferraris, despite them being F40s, even on eBay as Hot Wheels cars, they cost so much now.
Yeah, it's astonishing.
It's just incredible. These red Ferraris are brilliant, are going really well. The one that's actually going for a lot more is the Super Trench-Up Ferraris, which are now going up at least 105 quid. That costs as much as...
a lot of cars.
Yeah, a lot of Hot Wheels cars at that time. I'm thinking like a Jada. Very, very, very expensive Jada. Or you could say the remote control variants. Yeah, they cost as much as a hot RC car. With a 164 Hot Wheels car like this costing as much as a remote control car, that's insane. Even as an RC car like this, it still look wicked. Look how fantastic it looks on camera. And look how amazing that is.
Beauty.
And there we have it. All 5 Ferraris. Unboxed released. What do you think it's the best out of the vehicles?
No doubt. F40 in the house.
Yeah, the Ferrari F40 GT Competizione.
She's on fire.
Well, I would say the best looking out of all this 5 is the F40 Competizione. The second best looking, quality wise, would be the Dino. Because it's just fantastic. The interior looks absolutely brilliant and it shines so well. So I can't wait to see the single out from, what was it, from the JKs. The 5-12 cylinder you've seen on the bloopers, it looks so good. This variant is perfect. It's very hard to find a perfect 12 cylinder. Because sometimes headlights can go up and down. Well, we've learned that from the Porsches, which you couldn't handle the fact that we couldn't even... You might expect on TikTok a compilation of bad headlight cars. We call it the drugged up rise because
we call it drugged up rise. That's true. And what we'll do is start making a video of them as well. I think one day.
Yeah. With just that What's It Dealer song playing in the background from the Yaris advert.
Oh yeah.
Imagine how funny that would sound. Also, that Dino was amazing. It's just how if there was Matchbox wouldn't even do these headlight details. It doesn't matter. I would love to see them, in 164. Like
That'd be nice.
164, Elite 64 with working headlights. That Dino would, and with a chrome interior, that Dino, as it is, looks good. But if it had working headlights, that thing would be sold like hotcakes. On Hot Wheels, you guys might have to start making a full production variation of those. I love the red though, love the red. I'd love to see other different colour variations. But no pink.
Please.
No, please. Not pink. This Ferrari, this would be the second favourite, but when I looked at the headlight, when we both looked at headlights, it's not just the headlights that does have a bit of issues. Also, it's a fantastic looking Hot Wheels vehicle at the end of the day. But with additional detailing, this vehicle would look alright then. So there's nothing wrong with the vehicle, it looks brilliant. But Hot Wheels, when it comes to headlights, please can you work back on the headlights? Or moving the headlights back on this section. Because most of the time we both see Ferrari Stradales with perfect headlights on one side, and the other side of the headlights just all over the place. We don't want to lose a license with Ferrari if they see that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't blame us if you lose your license, because we're critics.
Yeah, I'll tell you how it is.
Yeah, and this Ferrari Competizione GT4, despite being sold less by value on eBay, well, one least sold, it still has a lot of look to it. It still has some history. And not only that, it's a number 58 racer, so we might have to do some research, but end of the day, this car is just brilliant. Nowadays, if these were actually like 5 actual Ferraris on the road, it would just be in like 10 to 15 million pounds, probably more. But with the 5 Ferraris here, Boss released, you guys can understand now that and Boss released these vehicles. I know we did an extended outro because we don't need the outro at the end, because I could show you all these 5 Ferraris. I don't need to show you the outros and the rolling scenes, because outside it's a bit rough. Yeah. And it's raining and it's windy and it could risk the cars crashing off the barrier. So for now, there'll be no outro, there'll be no picture or outro either, because the cars haven't been detailed. So I hope you like, subscribe, bell, comment and below for more content. This is Lycanmotions signing off. And GMAN.
Peace. All the best, guys. Like and subscribe, guys, please.
Okay.